The Western Cape health authorities have thrown their weight fully behind the national call for a mass vaccination program this weekend. More than 300 vaccination sites are open to the public today and a smaller number of operations tomorrow. The Premier of the province, Winde, has called on citizens to save their summer by getting their first jab by the middle of October. Now, this is in an effort to prevent the major possible fourth wave of infections. Now, on the story, we have our reporter Mariska Botha, who was a short while ago in Mitchell's Plain. Take a look.
Yes, as I heard you say there, if the country was in hibernation for the past 18 months, it seems like life came flooding back all of a sudden now with the elections less than a month away. There's activities happening everywhere. And of course, I'm in the Western Cape this morning in Mitchell's Plain, where, as you said, the Western Cape authorities have thrown their weight behind the call of the President for the Vuma weekend to take vaccination sites to the people. We're standing here, it's a mobile vaccination site, and people are making full use of the opportunity to come out and get their first jabs of that Pfizer-BioNTech jab. Of course, the Premier of the Western Cape, Winde, has called on people. It's a campaign they call Save Your Summer. And they said if you want to save your summer, in other words, be able to move around a bit more freely, spend time with friends and family, of course, always adhering to the rules of COVID-19, because as we know, even if you get vaccinated, you could still contract COVID and pass it on. But you have a better chance at not getting severely ill and certainly not dying if you get that jab. Now, the campaign is called Save Your Summer, and they say if you want to save your summer, get your first Pfizer jab by the 18th of October so that you can get the second one 6 weeks later, and in order, in that way, enjoy your December holiday. In the Western Cape at the moment, there's just over 5,000 active cases. The province has now officially exited the third wave, and it seems like it was just in time for the electioneering that's taking place and happening everywhere. And certainly COVID-19 is on everyone's mind. There's nobody that has not been affected or doesn't know someone who has passed on or who was severely ill because of COVID-19. So it's a very important issue that is on everyone's minds. They chose Mitchell's Plain as one of the places to launch the Vuma weekend because this is one of the areas where the uptake on registration for vaccinations has been very low. And they're hoping that by bringing mobile sites like this to the people in public areas like this, we're in a shopping mall, that people will make use of the opportunity. And it certainly seems like they do. I'm going to step out of shot for one moment, and Pam Zokufa will show you. The queue is a bit shortened now, but a little bit earlier, several people came through here. They were registered, helped by the people you see with the orange here, registering people, telling them what to do, where to go. And of course, they will be getting their jabs in that mobile site just around the corner there. The Premier is also asking that as many people as possible get vaccinated so that the economy can finally get up and running again. So they're encouraging people to take this opportunity, make use of the more than 300 sites that are open today, community halls, mobile sites, places like the CTICC, to go and get their jabs, because the quicker people get their jabs, the quicker we can go back to our lives as it was before.
Mariska Botha there. Thank you.